mess with it.
What are we going to do?
Try and cold start my Suzuki 125. It doesn't like the cold, so it might not start.
When's the last time it was started?
Last summer.
Okay. Right now it's February '09. Hasn't been running since probably, I don't know, September maybe or something. So it's been sitting out here in the barn.
It's in a couple other videos.
Nice day today, so we figured we'd come out and see what we can get on this.
Or a little more.
Not looking so good for the good guys today.
Nope.
Alright, this time we're going to try it with the choke on.
Yeah.
See what that does.
Not much difference.
Okay, it's definitely not kicking.
Where's that starter fluid?
We need some starting fluid and we'll see if that does anything. If we have any.
Yes.
Trusty 10mm.
Yeah. This whole bike is 10. Had this cover off so many times.
Alright, there's the air cleaner.
Relatively clean too.
Air cleaner box, no mice. That's a good sign.
Yeah.
Let me give it a couple squirts here of starting fluid. Alright.
Okay, that's enough.
If not, we have more.
Yeah, 3 more cans.
Alright. Not bad.
Surprised?
Yeah.
Alright, come again.
The sounds of summer. Can't wait, huh?
Yeah. Doesn't want to idle though.
That's okay. A little cold.
Yeah.
At least it runs.
Yeah.
Excellent.
There's my broken down go-kart. Hopefully that'll be a summer project. Future videos.
Alright, well, we'll reassemble and
See if we can start the tractor.
yeah, we can get that tractor started.